Let us learn Hamza. Hamza with a short vowel. Hamza with a short vowel فتحة A. Hamza with a short vowel ضمة U. Hamza with a short vowel كسرة I. Hamza with a long vowel. Hamza with a long vowel ألف. Hamza with a long vowel واو. Ooh. Hamza with a long vowel ياء. E. Hamza with the absence of the short vowels السكون أ. Hamza changes carrier depending on the short vowel. Let's see some words with the Hamza. The word أب means a father, starts with the Hamza. The word أخ means a brother, starts with the Hamza. The word أربعة means the number 4 and also start with the Hamza. The word أثاث starts with the Hamza and it means furniture. The word ما ends with the Hamza and the Hamza is located on the line and it doesn't have a carrier. The word سما means a sky and also the Hamza is located on the line and doesn't need a carrier.